Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of e to the power of as ds. We will have about e to the power of as over a, and we put about c. Now we apply this formula in here. We know that coefficient of t, that's about 1. This one is about negative number 1. If we apply this formula in here, you will have about e to the power of 1t over number 1. Similar for the second one. Negative 1t over negative number 1. And we can put the powers in here. From 0 to number 1. Now, if we simplify e to the power of 1t, we have e to the power of t. This one divided by number 1, we got about e to the power of t. This one we have negative number 1, so we change the sign of positive into negative. And we can write into e to the power of negative t. Now we can put the value number 1 and number 0 on here. This is about number 1. Number 1. This is about number 0. Number 0. So we have e minus 1 over e. Because this is the negative power, so we can transform into 1 over e. This one is about 1. This one is about 1. 1 minus 1, you got about 0. So the final answer should be about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.